Hey there, I am Nishkarsh and I'd love to walk you through Findr. So, Findr is a single unified search application that you can use to search across all of your apps at once, and we give you the most relevant information. So, right now we have 5 live integrations that you can connect with: Notion, Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, and GitHub. Once you've connected your account, you can start searching for anything you want. We'll be able to search across all of your apps and give you the most relevant information right here. We're able to search for code. We're able to search for code on GitHub, and we're able to search across PDFs as well, if you give us that access, obviously. And you can open up your files from Finder itself. But what makes Finder a really great tool is the fact that you don't even have to open this web application every time. You can use Finder's globally available command bar and call it from anywhere you want, and simply start searching for things you want. So for example, if I wanted to search for my financial projections, I just have to enter something related to it, go to the first search result, and there I have it. And now if I wanted to go to some other place, let's say my research document based on which I'm building our financial projections, I just have to vaguely enter something related to it once again, go to the first search result, and Finder will be able to take me to that place wherever my information is stored. Now, our consumer application is live and it's only available to people who have applied to our waitlist. Along with the consumer application, you get our globally available web-based command bar and the unlocking at Finder. An application that is smart enough to understand what you want, whenever you want it, and instantly gives that to you. Hope you love the demo, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on how we could improve Finder. What else do you want to see? Or in generally, we could catch up. Have a great day. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.